and welcome back to Aldo DIY. In today's video, I have some fashion inspiration for you guys. I am going to be sharing with you my uniforms when I don't know what to wear. All the clothing pieces that I used in this video are all basics, so I can easily mix and match them to create multiple looks just by using basic pieces. This type of video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this a thumbs up so I can know to make more of this type of videos. So that's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more of this type of style inspiration for busy moms, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my Aldo DIY family. Thanks so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!